or is that you, Mac, as a fan? Okay, lap one. Keep going, Mac. That's lap one. Two. And three. You see how easy it looks, guys? You guys can do this. Look, 3, 4, last lap, Mac. And 5. Winner! We have winner. 1. F1 at 1. 2. F1. Mac is a champion at this, huh? 2. 3. 4. 5. 2. Oh! Oh my gosh. 3. Took the lead. Mac took the lead. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.